In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create an applet to display an image. In this case, it's going to be the steaming cup of coffee Java image that most people recognize as a symbol for the Java programming language. So let's get started. We're going to call this program imageapplet.java. First thing we need to do, of course, is our imports. So we'll take care of that first. Now we need some HTML since we're going to actually run this applet. So let's fill that in real quick. Set a width of 400 and a height of 350. Close out the comment, and we're ready to start the class. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a private variable called anImage, and it's of image type. Next, we're going to write an init method, and in that init method, we're going to initialize anImage to our image. And to do that, we're going to use a method called getImage that's found following this path that I'm typing in right now. And I've put the image in my working directory just to make things simple. Of course, if you have it somewhere else, you'll write out the complete path right here. Next, we'll have our paint method. And all it's going to do is draw the image onto our applet. 50 and 25 will position the height and width of the image. And then just to demonstrate this, you can set the status bar of an applet. So we're going to write just a little simple image loaded message down there. And I'm just doing that to demonstrate how it works. We don't need to implement any of the other methods, so we're going to stop right there. And let's go ahead and compile and execute this program. So we're going to save it, go back to the command line. I'm always tempted to type Java image applet, but of course we're doing this through the applet viewer. So we type out the full name. Let me bring that into view. There's our Java image. There's my image loaded message in the status bar. And that's all there is to it. So to go back and look at the code one more time, it was very simple. We have our import statements, our HTML, declare our image object, initialize it in the init method, and then paint allows us to draw the image in the applet. And of course, show status allows us to change the status bar message. So that's how you display an image in an applet. And at this point, we're ready to move on to the exercise for this short chapter where we're going to take a program we've written before using Swing, our Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius converter, and turn that into an applet. And we'll see how to do that in this next exercise.